Debbie with Food Prepping channel, and it's Friday, February the 16th, and I have Valentine's candy and flowers and everything all over here on the table, but today I'm going to make some hot dog chili, and I've got about 2 pounds of ground chuck in here that I'm browning, and along with the ground chuck, I'm going to I can't even think of the word. I'm going to I've got an onion, and I'm going to scrape the onion in here and let the juices go in here, because in chili you put onions on your hot dogs, but you don't really have onions pieces in your chili unless they're really little. So I just take my grater and I'm going to grate the onion in here, and along with the onion juices, and I'll bring you back when I get to the next stage. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I grated up about half of that onion, I'd say a half of a small onion in here, and with the juices and the onion, and you can't see the onion in here at all, but I definitely can smell the juices, and there's some right there, but it'll all cook up and you won't be able to see the onions. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 teaspoons, heaping teaspoons of chili powder in here. Alright, there's that. Alright, the next thing I'm going to put in here is a half a teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. Alright. And then I'm going to put in 1 full teaspoon of salt, kosher salt. I'm going to turn this down to medium. I've got it on my NuWave. Alright. I want to make sure that all this is mixed in together, and it all has that, all the spices and all in it. I'm going to put in another teaspoon of chili powder. And I've got dark chili powder, McCormick's. I'm going to go on and put in another heaping teaspoon. And then I'm going to put in some onion powder. 2 teaspoons of that, of onion powder. And I'm going to put in about 1/4 of a cup of ketchup. Alright. And then I've got this tomato paste, Amore tomato paste. I'm going to put in about a well, let's put a little bit more. About a tablespoon of that. Alright, and I'm going to stir this up really good, and it's no use y'all watching me do that, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I've mixed it all up, and I've cut my NuWave down to 210, and I'm just going to let this sit here and simmer. I guess I'll go back up to 220. It's not. And usually at 210 will simmer a little bit, but it's not. And I'm going to let this simmer. There it comes. Simmer for about 30 minutes or so, and then I'll bring you back when we get our hot dogs ready. Alright.